Welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to learn how to multiply hexadecimal numbers, and we have an example that is evaluate 2be base 16 times 2d base 16. So the first thing we need to do is to write down all the numbers involved in a hexadecimal. So in a hexadecimal we have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, A, B, C, D, E, and F, where A stands for 10, B stands for 11, C for 12, D for 13, and E 14, and F is 15. So we have 2 BE times 2D. So that is what we want to work with. So the first step is to take D times E. So we have D times E. And according to this, D is 13. So we have 13 times E, and E is 14. So if you multiply those, you're going to get that to be 182. And remember that 182 is a decimal number, so we have to convert it to hexadecimal by dividing by 16. So we have 182 divided by 16. It goes there 11 times, so you'll have 11 times, and then there's a remainder of 6. So it means therefore that the hexadecimal number that we have is 11, which is B, and the remainder is 6. So we have B6. So you come and write 6, and then you carry B. So you come to the next step, you take the carry, which was B, plus the next multiplication, that is D times B. And according to this, B is 11, so it's like you have 11 plus D, and D is 13 times B, which is 11. When you work out that, you're going to get that to be 154, which is a decimal number, and we have to convert it to hexadecimal by dividing by 16. So you'll find that 16 goes into 154 9 times. And then there's a remainder of 10. So 9 and 10. So therefore the hexadecimal number is 9. 10 is written as A, so that is 9A. So you come here and write A and have 9 as the carry. So it means in the next step you have 9, which was the carry, plus the next multiplication, which is D times 2. So 9 plus D times 2, that is the same as 9 plus D, and D is 13, so 13 times 2. So if you work that out, you're going to get it to be 35, and 35 is a decimal number, so you divide it by 16 to convert it to hexadecimal, and 16 goes into 35 2 times, and there's a remainder of 3. So it therefore means that the hexadecimal number is 2, 3. So you come and write 3. So since there is no more numbers to multiply by D, you take it the way it is. So that is 2, 3. Then you move on to the next multiplication, that is 2 times E. So you have 2 times E. So that is 2 times E, and E is 14, and that is 28. And remember, 28 is a decimal number. You divide it by 16, and 16 goes into 28 1 times, and there's a remainder, and the remainder is 12. So the hexadecimal number is 1, 12, but 12 is written as C, so that is 1c. So you come and write c under 2, and you take 1 as the carry. So you have the carry, that is 1, plus the next multiplication, that is 2 times b. 2 times b, that is 1, plus 2 times b, and b is 11. So that is 22 plus 1, which is 23. Again, 23 is a decimal number. So you divide 23 by 16 to convert it to hexadecimal. So if you divide 23 by 16, it goes there once and a remainder of 7. So it means the hexadecimal number is 17. So you come and write 7 and have 1 as the carry. So in the next step, you take the carry, which is 1, plus the next multiplication, that is 2 times 2. 2 times 2. So that is 1 plus 4, which is just 5. So because this is less than 16, you write it the way it is. So the next step is to add these two hexadecimal numbers that you have. So you have 6 plus 0, which is just 6. Then the next one is a plus c. So you come and say a plus c, and a according to hexadecimal is 10, and c is 12. So that is 22, which is a decimal number. So you divide 22 by 16 to convert it to hexadecimal. So you'll realize that 16 goes into 22 1 times with a remainder of 6. So it means therefore that the hexadecimal number is 16. So you come and write 6 and carry 1. So in the next step, you have 1, which is the carry, plus 3 plus 7. 3 plus 7, and you'll find that to be 11. And according to hexadecimal, 11 stands for b. So you have b, you just come and write b. And then the next one is just 2 plus 5, which is 7. It is less than 16, so just write it the way it is. So it therefore means that the multiplication, that is 2be base 16 times 2d base 16 is equal to 7b6 base 16. Thank you for watching. Kindly like, share, and don't forget to subscribe.